Kavanaugh, CMZ Trading is here to break down the earnings coming in from Cisco after the close last night. Good morning, Matt.
Good morning.
Well, it was back in February. You and I were talking about Cisco post earnings, and the stock fell during the after hour session. And then what happened, Matt?
Well, I bought some. I actually bought the dip. I think I finally learned after all these years, and it ended up being an okay move.
And you never know what could happen here as well. The company is cutting 6,000 jobs, and overall the earnings were not horrible. So what would you do now?
Well, I did lighten up on my position just a little bit just because it has rallied pretty well. The turnaround story continues there, but I think that Cisco, they're doing an okay job. It's a tough business environment for them, but they're a great company. They've got some good things going on, and also they're going to buy back another $8 billion worth of shares. So I think that the fact that they've got all the good things going on, they pay you a nice dividend, and they're buying stock back, that should all be pretty supportive to the stock.
Why do you think investors tend to have this knee-jerk reaction to sell as soon as Cisco comes out with earnings?
Well, I don't know if it's because they usually surprise and the surprise is not good enough, but, it could be one of those old sell the news type of deals. And if you get a chance to buy a good company on sale, you should. And a lot of times it pays to do the opposite of what the herd does.
That's definitely it. Take the other side of that trade. So any other stocks you're watching, Matt?
Right now we're just trying to stay nimble, try to get into some of these names that aren't quite as loved, and be ready to fire in case something else happens in this market.
Well, Matt, good to have you on the show this morning, and I hope you make more profit on Cisco if it's possible.
Thank you.